Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Game Pass subscription and freeing up space. That avoids download interruptions. Once done, sign into the same Microsoft account on your Xbox and the Xbox app so licenses sync. Make sure your console is updated to the latest system version because patches prevent crashes and ensure multiplayer access. Start the Microsoft Store and search Grand Theft Auto V on Game Pass. Choose the Install option and cue the download. While it installs, prepare controller and network settings to save time. Once the download starts, pick where to install. Internal SSD reduces loading, while external is fine if speed isn't critical. You want to set the install priority to GTA V so it completes first. This avoids waiting for large updates. Make sure background downloads are enabled and the console power mode is instant on to allow remote installs from the app. After files finish, launch the game and let any first-run updates or Rockstar launcher patches apply. That finalizes compatibility and account linking. You now launch GTA V and complete the Rockstar Social Club sign-in so progress and online access sync. This step is why account consistency matters. Next, configure controller sensitivity, display resolution, and HDR to match your TV for smooth gameplay. If you encounter issues, first reboot the console and router, then clear cache by powering down fully. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the Rockstar launcher or the game. One key troubleshooting tip: check Xbox Live Service status and Rockstar server status before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.